What AI business has the highest income potential right now? As someone who's made millions using AI tools in my company, I'm going to show you 5 AI businesses you can start today from scratch. With 0 employees. I'll break down how much they cost, how much effort they take, and how much money you can realistically make. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They're real AI businesses you could start right now. Let's jump in. First up, one of my favorites. The AI appointment setter. Imagine this. Businesses pay you to take their incoming calls and have handle the scheduling, automatically setting appointments and saving them thousands. You're replacing a full-time human with an AI that's faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Startup cost? Almost nothing. Effort. Medium, you'll need a bit of sales skill and some setup. Potential. $500 to $1,000 a day. Easy. One proof. A company called YourAtlas.com already does this. An AI that books calls in real time like a human. If you can set that up for local businesses, you're in business. Next, the AI content repurposing service. Podcasters, YouTubers, and businesses have hours of long-form content, but no time to turn it into viral short clips. That's where you come in. You use AI tools to automatically cut, caption, and repurpose long videos into viral shorts for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Startup cost. Low effort, medium, potential. $750 to $1,000 a day. I know freelancers making $30,000 a month doing this, because content is the new gold and AI helps you mine it faster. Now imagine you help a business make sales while they sleep. That's exactly what the AI sales chatbot does. You install AI chat systems that handle DMS, emails, and messages, converting chats into paying customers. You're automating sales conversations. Cost. Medium. Some coding and custom setup. Effort. Medium. Potential. $1,000 to $1,500 per day. Example. GetRevio.com grew from $0 to $60,000 a month, doing exactly this. Every business wants more leads, and ULL be the one giving them. 24/7 sales reps, powered by AI. This one's next-level AI data cleanup. Every company has messy data. Emails, spreadsheets, CRMs. Total. Charles. You offer a service to clean, organize, and connect their data to AI so the business owner can literally ask, "Hey, AI, how much did we make this month?" Cost. Medium. You'll need some advanced tools. Effort. Medium high. You'll learn data cleaning and vector databases. Potential. $1,500 to $3,000 a day. You're not just cleaning data. You're unlocking business intelligence. One company scaled to $700,000 in 7 months doing this. Finally, my favorite AI inbox and calendar manager. You build an AI executive assistant for CEOs that handles their emails and meetings. They pay big for this because you're giving them their time back. Cost. Low. Effort. Medium. You'll train it based on the client's workflow. Potential. $3,000 to $5,000 a day. Example. Fixer. AI went from $1 million to $10 million in 5 months doing this. AI is buying back people's time, and that's priceless. So, which one should you start first? If I were starting today, I'd go all in on AI inbox and calendar management. The demand is massive, and barely anyone is doing it right. Follow the 4-step AI startup ladder. Validate, find who needs it. Pre-sell, get paid before building. Deliver, give results fast. Productize, automate, and scale AI. Gives you the tools, but the money goes to those who take action. Start today.